काम हो जाए।
एक बार और बोलना बेटा, अच्छा था।
काम ऐसा करो कि नाम हो जाए और नाम ऐसा करो कि नाम लेते ही काम हो जाए। A warm welcome to this. My name is Tamanna, going to speak a very beautiful topic whose name is success. So the question arises, what is success? The meaning and the definition of success is different for everyone. According to me, the letter S stands for the self-motivate. The letter U stands for U-turn on the same place is not allowed. The letter C stands for create. The letter C stands for come over the situation. The letter E stands for erase negative things from your life. The letter S stands for self-confident and letter S stands for study. There is one more definition about S. Success is a journey but not a destination. It means if I give one example, for example, I am learning English. So there is no point where I will end, because learning English is, I will try each and every day that I will learn more and more. So learning English is journey, not a destination, because it never ends. One or more example I will take about cricketer. Cricket is a enjoyable thing. If you make more practice, you will learn more. So cricket is not a thing that you will stop at a point. So that is why it is a journey, not a destination. There was one famous cricketer who says, chase your dream but make sure do not find shortcuts. Now the question is, why some people get succeed in their life and why some people get fail in their life? According to me, why some people get succeed in their life, the reason is they know how much time and what time they have to spend on what thing. For example, they manage their time, they give a proper time to their skill, to improve their skill, and they give proper time to manage their studies. How much time to give which subject and how much time to give which thing. For example, if you are working in any company, with that you have to improve yourself for your promotion and these all things. Now why some people get fail in their life, or what are making them to stop? According to me, they don't know what to do and how to do, as they don't know how to manage the time. As sometimes people get fail in their life because of the monotonous, as they get bored. As I am a student and most of the students face this, as they are pressurized by their parents to focus on the studies. But because of this, they get monotonous while studying and do uninterested activities. And the one more reason is they don't know how to manage the time. Because of the time management, they get failed. There is one famous person, Amitabh Bachchan, who rejected on the audio state and faced financial problem. So then he said कि चलते रहो जब तक चला जा सकता है और अपनी कामयाबी को हासिल करते रहो, कभी रुको नहीं. Now the thing is really study is the key of success. Sometimes people says a one sheet of paper cannot decide my future, but according to me, a one sheet of paper can decide your future, because in a year there is 4 exams done in our school, and each exam give us what the actual meaning of what the mistake you are doing in the before exam and what you have to do in the next exam. That's why you score good marks in the annual or final exam. So you cannot say a single sheet of paper cannot decide your future. The single sheet paper define you, your behavior, your confidence, and because of this you make your success also. And ये अगर तुम लोग ये कहते हो कि सिंगल शीट पेपर में डिसाइड नहीं करता, तो अपने पापा के पास मत जाना प्रॉपर्टी के पेपर्स लेने, ठीक है? Now why some people get fail in their life? We can say that they stuck in their past or they take tension of their future. But past is an experience and future is the experiment, and the present is a gift. That is why we call it present. So we have to focus on our present, not the past and not the future. If you maintain your present and you make your present so good, then your future ultimately became nice and successful. And one more reason is mindset. The person who successful in their life have different mindset, and person who fail in their life have different mindset. And sometimes people says I don't full. दोनों के पास 24 घंटे होते हैं, वो तुम्हारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि तुम उसे कैसे यूज करते हो. some rules. Study hard, listen to others, learn from others, discipline, patience, passion, and consistency. Sometimes people get motivated from others for hour, for day, for week, but they do not focus on their study. They just do 10 hours study in a one day, but they don't think if they do study of 2 hours each day, so at the last of the year they will successful or they will get good marks in their subject. सो इस पे है कि अपना स्टेटस मत चेंज करो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पीपल्स, अपने आप को इतना चेंज करो कि लोग तुम्हारे लिए अपना स्टेटस चेंज करें. Sometimes people say hard work actually leads to the successful person. So what will happen if some person do hard work and still stuck in failure? So with a hard work, you have to focus on your time management, your luck, and the thing is opportunity. Sometimes opportunity comes from you, but you reject it कि ये मेरी औकात की नौकरी नहीं है, कुछ ऐसे कहकर. Luck, yes, luck is also very important with hard work. If I give one more example, one of my cousin who get a very good marks in 12th, 98%. Who got very good marks in 12th, 98%, and he applied for NDA exam. He also cracked the exam, he also cracked the interview, but there is one point where he missed the interview, and because of that he lost the job, or you can say seat. So because of the luck, hard work is important, but with this luck is also important. Now sometimes people give advice you, and I'm also trying to give advice all of you, but sometimes people not apply on yourself. They एडवाइस देते हैं, बहुत अच्छी एडवाइस देते हैं, बट अपने ऊपर अप्लाई नहीं करते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज आल्सो द रीजन व्हाई सम पीपल नॉट सक्सेसफुल इन देयर लाइफ. इसमें है कि अपना किसी और से सामने फेस करने से पहले आईने में देखो कि तुम कहाँ स्टैंड करते हो, फिर किसी और के सामने जाकर बोलना कि तुम कहाँ स्टैंड करते हो. प्रॉब्लम फेस बाय द स्टूडेंट, नॉट ओनली द स्टूडेंट बट बाय मेनी पीपल, कल कर लेंगे या कल से शुरू कर लेंगे. बिकॉज एट द टाइम इफ वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एनी वन एक्टिविटी, वी फील मोनोटोनस, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी ऑलवेज स्किप द थिंग्स कि कल कर लेंगे, कल कर लेंगे. सो इफ आई गिव वन, आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. इफ आई गिव वन मोर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ माई सर, class teacher, he told me that when he was in 11th and 12th, he went to a school and back at 3, then he went to the another city after a 1 and 2 hours. He reached there and then took the classes and again came back to the home, give a tuition to the small children 9th, 10th, and again they focused on their studies and got very good marks in 12th. So you have to focus on, you don't say that I don't have a time or I am busy in my life. So कुछ लोग ना क्या करते हैं, बस कॉपियों पे लिख देते हैं और दिमाग में नहीं डालते हैं. तो मैं उसमें है कि कॉपियों से लिखने से अच्छा अपने दिमाग में रखो, क्योंकि दिमाग एक ऐसा लाइब्रेरी है, या यू कैन से एक ऐसी बुक है जो हमेशा स्टोर करके रखेगी, कभी जाने नहीं देगी. Some people learn from their past, as something happened with them in a past which actually encouraged them to do something in their life. Success, if I'm talking about some successful people, there is APJ Abdul Kalam, who said, dream big, work hard and to achieve your goals. Narendra Modi said, dedication and hard work can overcome difficulties. Ratan Tata said, take risks and learn from your failure. At the last but not least, I want to say that जो पानी से नहाता है वो लिबास बदलता है, जो पानी से नहाता है वो लिबास बदलता है, और जो पसीने से नहाता है वो इतिहास बदलता है.